What up, YouTube Pyro Nation? I'm gonna do a demo for y'all. Got an 8-shot cake by Pyro Predator brand. It's called House of Blues. I want to give a shout out to Joey Delgado Fireworks. Y'all check his channel out on YouTube. I ran into him in Indiana this morning as I was doing a little small pickup. So check out his channel, man. It's another Chicago Pyro doing big things, you know. So hold tight and we gonna go and see what this House of Blues do. House of Blues, Pyro Predator. There y'all go.